up, guys? Today I just received the Nespresso order, so I'm about to unbox and show you guys what's in there. Coffee. Woo, that's a lot. To drop. Alright, so we got Voluto, and the other one is the Ristretto Decaffeinato. So since I ordered like 100 of them, oh, they also give me, it's like a free sample here. This one is the Buenos Aires Longo. Maybe a few of them in here. Let me move over here, hold on. Alright, so in this box I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 of them. Then in here they have I don't know how many do they have in here. Okay, they only give me one free, and also there's welcome to the new best part of your day, and they give me the code receive special welcome box for your next order of 7 sleep, and they have a code here for the virtual machines and the original machines, which is I don't need it, those machines. All right, so we have this one. This is what we got here. Discover traditional of Italy. That's the first one. And so this is the second one. And Voluto, Levanto, Shanghai Longo, Buenos Aires Longo, Ristretto, Abrico Decaffeinato. I'm not sure I read it right. This one is Barista Creations Vanilla, maybe. And this is another one. All right, let's see how it looks inside. So this is the side of the original one. Since the machines I have it here is the original, so that's why I want to order it. I don't know how many of them in here, maybe 10, but that is what I get. What I saw on the box, it will show it's like the strong level in here. This is number 9, so the strong level is from 0 to 13, and let's count. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, 10 of them. So it's total I have 10 bucks of that. So maybe it will be 100 of them. And also, let's see what the symbol here that they gave me for free. there are 2 free of them in here. Okay, they have inspirations, Italian recetals, and also another one, decaffeine. So the one with caffeine, the other one no caffeine. And they also have the name on it. They sent us the recycling bags here that you can order. There are 2 of them, and it's actually really big. Like you can fill it up all the way up here. If you in the other states except New York, you can just put in the recycle box. Maybe like over 100 of them. All right, that's all I get from the pretzels, and that's it.